You guys loved it when we renovated the cottage, and so we're going to bring you along another renovation, which is going to be our kitchen. Now, this is going to be a really big project. We have an open concept home, essentially. This is a very old home. It was built in the 70s. You can see it's all open ceiling, open concept, kitchen, dining room area. But what we want to do, we're looking for more counter space and more like cupboard space, because this is all we have right here. This is what you see. And we don't love this whole situation around the fridge. They're very deep cabinets. Things get lost. It's just not great. And we also have this island, which is nice. But here's the thing. We bought this house 6 years ago. And now, after being here a while, we're really noticing some things, like where there should have been caulk, they grouted. And look at how, yep, I'm showing you the nasty. I'm not scared. It's gross. And no matter how often we clean this, it just keeps oozing out of there because that should have been caulked. I've never liked the sink. I don't love the countertops. They're fine, but I don't love them. So we've been kicking around ideas for a long time. And my husband built houses for 30 years, so he knows what he's doing. So you see this door where I keep focusing. This door leads out into a porch that really gets used mostly. Oh, there's a puppy out there for deep frying. Hi, sweet girl. So this porch, yep, that's why that's there, because that's all we really do here. This faces the road. And the other side of our house is where the lake is at. And so right here, this porch is kind of useless. Now, this wall, that's the back of our bedroom. Okay, so this whole process is going to get a little complicated. But today, Mike is going to start by tearing off the porch and framing this area in, because this is going to be house. We're going to make it be part of our kitchen. So eventually, this wall's coming out, the door is coming out, this pantry, we're going to try to repurpose as much of it as we can and move those cabinets out into there. We have lots of ideas. The fridge is going to move, but what else this is going to entail is redesigning our bedroom and our closet. Now I'm going to take you in there, and you know what? I haven't made the bed yet. It's just, this is real life. We share the real here. So no judging. Absolutely no judging. So here we go, our bedroom. So this is our closet. So we've got this big box that's a closet. So we're going to, and then we have this little nook area that is often the catch-all. And it's just really a waste of space. And so what Mike is planning to do, we're going to lose a window, which I don't love that idea, but you know what? I'm sacrificing the window for what's going to be a better kitchen. So this wall is going to come in. So it's going to get 2 feet deeper. So we'll gain space in the kitchen. And then this is all going to come out. He's going to tear out this entire closet. And then the kitchen will also bump back this way a little bit, because currently our fridge, this is kitchen. Like this wall here, part of that is kitchen, part of it is closet. I know this is really hard to envision, but trust the process. He knows what he's doing. I don't so much, but I trust his process. So anyway, our closet's going to get shifted over. And so we're going to lose this whole little nook. Our bedroom will gain more space going back that way. So we have a whole plan. So don't worry. We have a whole entire plan on how this is all going to look. So in the meantime, I've got some emptying to do. I have to empty this pantry and our closet to get that ready. But, one day at a time here. This is DIY. This is the holidays. This is, we'll get it done as we go. It's not going to be done in a week. So stay tuned for the journey. We're going to take you along with us. And we're going to share with you the whole process, the good, the bad, the ugly, the problems that we may run into. We don't know yet. And we have a vision for what we want this to look like when it's all done. But we're both going into it knowing that we may come up against some obstacles where things might not work out the way we want. So right now I'm just very open-minded. I'm just excited that we are going to gain that much more space in our kitchen. We're going to take, I love this door, and I know it's not efficient. It's old, but I love it. So that door is actually going to go, eventually we're going to redo our entryway of our house as well. Don't mind the mess. That's what I told you guys. Real life. If you have judgy comments, keep them to yourself. Anyway, this is our entryway, which we also don't love, and we have plans to take this closet out and do some more things, but the kitchen takes priority. But we are going to put the door with the window here instead so that we get some light in this entryway. It's a very small, cluttered, crowded entryway. But you know what? We've got plans for that too at some point. So yeah, I'm excited to repurpose the door. I'm just so excited for what this is going to become. We're also going to get new light fixtures because neither one of us really likes that thing. So yeah, I may have to de-Christmas before Christmas, which it's okay. I'm okay with it. I've had this up since November. I've enjoyed it, and I would rather get started on the new kitchen progress. So like I said, stay tuned. We're going to take you along for the whole journey and share with you the updates as we get started demoing the kitchen. I wanted to give you a better idea of what it looked like from the outside. So this is the porch that is going to be taken apart, and then this is the section that we will enclose as part of our kitchen. Where are you going to start?
Where am I going to start?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Where do I start? All right, so I'm going to start by tearing off the railings, stairs, deck boards, and all the trim boards around here to establish framing points and establish how good the floor system's going to be in case I have to rebuild it. That's today's project.
All right. That'll be done today?
That'll
Day
be
one?
done.
That'll
Day
be
one.
day one. All right. Demo. Let's go.
That worked out good. Yeah. Do you want to fly? We're almost ready for deck board removal.
Awesome.
Close. work gloves on. What did they do? Not Luna.
It's 3 o'clock on day 1 of demo. Let's see how things are going out here. How's it going?
It's going really good.
Really good?
No, it's going okay. This is time consuming.
Yeah. All right, I think we're at the end of day 1 demo, and I think he got everything done that he wanted to. The porch is stripped, the deck boards are off, the stairs are gone. Look at the leaves that have been piling up under this for years. Gonna have to remove all of those. So that's what we're looking like. Day 2 will be framing and flooring and insulation.